Hello.
Hi, good evening, Huy Vũ.
Mm,
Okay, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Hey.
I'm fine
Oh, why did you choose to have earlier class today?
because today is Mid Autumn Festival.
Oh, remember Mid-Autumn Festival, so you will go out after our class?
Yes, I go out
Oh,
in 8 o'clock.
oh, okay. So what's Mid-Autumn again? Mid-Autumn Festival? Are there like lanterns?
No, it's not like Halloween. It's like have a lamp, but it's like a lamp like a flower.
Yeah, I remember. Wow. So are you excited to go out?
Yes, it has
Ah,
music too.
wow. Okay, so you enjoy later, okay? So we
Okay.
will now start because you will go out later. Okay. So I last week I gave you a homework, right? So I give you a homework?
Yes.
Did you do it?
Okay.
Can you read it to me?
Okay. I I can see a sun sunny in the sky. The buildings have a light.
Mm-hmm.
No time is here.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so again, that's it. So no need for me to go through with visualize because you already know what does it mean. So again, so when we say visualize, poets choose words carefully to help readers see a picture in their minds. So when you read, you notice that the poet uses to describe something. So not just poet but every writer. Okay, so they when they write they visualize things so that the reader can also see or imagine what is the reader trying to say. Okay, do you get
Okay,
it? Do you have question?
I don't have.
Okay, so there you go. So thank you so much for that. Okay, and now um let's now continue to hear words in context. So here I want you to please take note of these words here. Observe, imagine, describe, and exact. So I want you to please look for the meaning of these words first. Observe, imagine, describe, and exact. Can you please look for the
Observe,
meaning of these words?
observe is we find the thing is observe.
Uh-huh, that's right. Okay, how about imagine?
Imagine is we think about this thing is imagine.
Okay, so you will imagine, just think, okay? Okay,
Visual.
yeah, describe. How about describe?
Describe is we talk say about this about we talk about the thing.
Okay. And how about is exact?
I don't know the meaning of
When we say
exact.
exact, it means it's right. Okay, it's exact. It's correct. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, there you go. So thank you for that. Okay. Now let's here. Now we will read a new like this one. You can be a poet. So in this instructional text, we read different kinds of poems and learn what the rules are to write them. So an instructional text shows us how to do something as you read the poems. So try to visualize what's happening in them. So here, let us answer this question first, Vivu. Why is it important to notice things around you when you write poetry?
because the people who read the thing can know the main idea of this poem.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Okay. So that there's a lot of reason. Okay. So because one of the reason for that is because poet, so the person who write poems, so they can they can like imagine or they can visualize things just by looking at the things around them. So they can write as many things as they want. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So now let's try to hear. You can be a poet. Do you want to be a poet, Viva?
Yes, I like to be a poet.
Wow. Okay, so then I want you to please listen and you can read together with this one so that you will have an idea on what you will do to become a poet. Okay? Are you ready? Okay, here. Oh my gosh, wait. Oh, it's starting again. Wait. I hate this one. It's starting to be like, did you eat already, Vivo?
Yes, I eat already.
Okay, good job. So you're ready to go now.
Yes.
I'll,
Page 58. Read. You can be a poet. Poets write about the world in a special way. They want to share the beauty and joy of life. You can be a poet too. Just remember these 3 points. 1. A good poet observes things carefully. When you were going to school this morning, what did you notice? Many poets write about the things they see around them. 2. A good poet has a good imagination. When you imagine, you create something in your mind. Then, when you write about it, others can enjoy your imagination too. 3. A good poet knows how to describe things. How does something look, smell, or feel? Does it make a sound? Writing about these things can make a poem interesting. There are many different kinds of poems. Here are 3 examples that you can try right away. They are fun to write and fun to read. Try them, and you can become a poet too. Acrostic.
An acrostic poem uses all the letters of the topic word to describe the topic. How to write an acrostic poem. Find one topic word that is interesting to you. Write the word vertically, up and down. Use each letter as the beginning of a new word. The new word should tell us something about the topic word. They don't have to be rhyming words. Here's an example of an acrostic poem using the topic word Hawaii. Hot, aloha, waves, angelfish, interesting, islands.
Sincane. A sincane poem has 5 lines. How to write a sincane poem. Line 1. One noun for the topic word. Line 2. 2 adjectives that describe the topic word. Line 3. 3 action verbs that end in ing. Line 4. A sentence about the topic word. Line 5. One new noun that is similar to the topic word. Snow. Cold. Silent. Falling. Dancing. Glittering. Tiny snowflakes kiss my nose. Crystals. Haiku.
Haiku comes from Japan. Haiku poems use an exact number of syllables in each line. Haiku poems are often about nature and one of the 4 seasons. How to write a haiku poem. Line 1. Use 5 syllables. Line 2. Use 7 syllables. Line 3. Use 5 syllables. Summer sings hello. A robin hops through the grass, looking for a worm.
Remember to choose a topic that interests you and carefully choose your words. Have fun sharing your poems.
Okay, there you go, Ibu. So that's it. So you can be a poet. So since you wanted to be a poet in the future, you can use this ideas here. Okay.
Oh.
So again, so poets write about the world in a special way. So they want to share the beauty and joy of life. And here, just remember these 3 points. A good poet observes things carefully. When you were going to school this morning, what did you notice? So many poets write about the things they see around them. So this is what I'm talking about. So many poets write about the things they see around them.
Oh.
Also,
I'm
a
a skin poet.
yeah, that's right. And also, this one, a good poet has a good imagination. So when you imagine, you create something in your mind. Then when you write about it, others can enjoy your imagination too. Okay, so you will use your imagination. And then of course, we also have it here. So a good poet knows how to describe things. How does something look, smell, or feel? Does it make a sound? Okay, so all of the things can make a poem interesting. And here are the 3 examples or different kinds of poem. So we have acrostic. So what does it mean when we say acrostic?
Is acoustic is it a poem use all the letters of a topic word to describe the topic.
Okay, there you go. So an acrostic poem uses all the letters of the topic word to describe the topic. Okay, so how to write an acrostic poem? So find one topic word that is interesting to you. So you will just focus in one topic, and then write down the word vertically up and down, and use each letter as the beginning of a new word. And then the new words should tell us something about the topic word. And they don't have to be rhyming words. So if you've noticed, like usually all the poem, they're they use rhyming words. But this one, acrostic, they don't have to be rhyming words. Okay, so here, this is an example of an acrostic poem using the word Hawaii. Look,
Hawaii is
yeah, Hawaii. This is the topic. Hot, aloha, angelfish, interesting island. So it's up to you. What are you going to write in here? As long as you already have the first word, okay? So that is acrostic. Okay?
okay.
Do you have question?
No,
No question.
no.
No?
Oh, yes.
What's your question?
What is aloha?
Oh, aloha means hello. Hello in Hawaii.
Oh,
Okay? Aloha. Hi. Hello. That is their greeting there in Hawaii. Hawaii is an island. Okay?
okay. Okay.
So aloha. So they use that one as their greeting.
Okay.
All right. Okay, and next we have this one. What's this?
Cinque.
Okay, it's the cinquain. So what is a cinquain poem?
The cinque poem has 5 lines.
Okay, so it has 5 lines. So how to write a cinquain poem? So line 1 is one
One.
noun for the topic word. So for me, this is quite difficult, and it will take you a lot of time because you really need to consider like that the line, every line. So you need to be careful. So you need to put like noun, adjectives, verbs, and all, compared to acrostic. Like it it doesn't have to be like this. Okay, so it's just up to you. Okay, so they're quite different. So this is somehow formal poem. This is somehow a formal poem. Okay?
Okay.
So again, so line 1, you will one noun for the topic. Line 2, two adjectives that describe the topic word. So you will think of adjectives, like 2 adjectives. And then here 3 action verbs like falling, dancing, glittering, ending in ing, and then a sentence about the topic word, like tiny snowflakes kiss my nose. Line 5, one new noun that is similar to the topic word. So in here, if I will let you write a poem, would you choose this
Hmm. I don't choose this one. I choose
one?
acrostic. It's
Yeah,
easy.
this is quite like for difficult for a beginner like you. So it's not advisable to use this kind of poem. All right, how about this one?
It's haiku too.
Okay, so haiku is pronounced as haiku, while this one is sinkane. This is you pronounce this one as sinkane. Again, sinkane.
Cinque.
Yeah, this is a sinkane. This is acrostic. This is haiku.
Acrostic.
Yeah.
Okay.
So haiku comes from Japan. Oh, so it's a Japanese word. And haiku poems use an exact number of syllables in each line, meaning you really need to be careful when it comes to writing a haiku poem because you need to count the exact number of syllables. And haiku poems are often about nature and one of the 4 seasons. So this is just all about nature and one of the 4 seasons. Okay? So that
Okay.
is what haiku poem for. Again, you will use an exact number of syllables in each line, just like this one. Here, line 1 use 5 syllables. Summer sings hello, so that's 5. Okay, line 2 use 7 syllables. A robin hops
Mhm.
through the grass, so that's 7. And line 3 use 5 syllables. Looking for a worm. Okay, so in this one, you can add line 1, 5 syllables, line 2, 7 syllables,
And
line
line
3, 5,
three.
and line 4, 7. So you will alternate. Okay?
Oh, it has. It don't have line 4.
Yeah, but if you want to add, you can alternate that one. Okay?
Okay.
Oh, or if you don't want to add, you can write another paragraph again. So it's start with line 1, line 2, line 3. Okay? So
Okay.
that's what or how you will write a haiku poem. Now, okay, here. Remember to choose a topic that interests you and carefully choose your words. So have fun sharing your poem. So here, since we are talking about poem, so I will let you write a poem. So I want you
Oh,
to choose from the three of that poem. What are you going to choose?
I choose acrostic.
Acro- Acrostic. Wow. Okay, so can you please I'll zoom it in so that you will take a screenshot of the things that you will need to write in here so that you can remember this one. Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm finished.
Okay. So I will expect your poem on Thursday, okay?
Okay. Oh,
Uh,
I will write the poem.
you already have?
Yes, it's
Wow.
in.
Okay. Can you write? Oh, fun. Oh, so fun. What I mean is you will, since it's a poem, you will write something. Fun. What's your topic?
Oh,
You will write a sentence. So this just explain that this is how you will identify the poem or the topic of this one. So in this is hot. For example, I will say hot. Let me just erase it. Hot summer days. Aloha. Aloha, my friend. Oh, like that. So you will write a sentence since it's a poem. Because when you write just like that, it's not considered as a poem. Okay? Is it
oh,
clear?
okay,
Okay.
okay.
So, will you do that as your homework instead?
Oh,
Yes?
I don't have any question.
Sorry?
I don't have any question.
I mean, like, will you do that, like the poem, as your homework?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So I'll expect a homework um on Thursday, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Do you have question about the poem or the poets? How you can be a poet? Do you have question?
No.
No. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, here understand. So this is now comprehension. So here let me ask you, which kind of poem did you enjoy the most?
Yes. And I like acrostic poem and haiku poem. I
And
don't know what most.
oh,
But most.
and what kind of poem would you like to write?
I like write acoustic poem.
Okay, acrostic poem. Okay, so here, since you like that one, now let's try to answer this one. I want you to write the number for each sentence in the correct circle. Okay?
Okay. I'm finished.
All right, let's try to see. Let's try to check. Wow, wow. Oh, very good comprehension, Vivu. So again, let's read about acrostic poem. Can you please read?
If the topic is wrong, the poem will be.
Okay.
If the topic is word
If
is
the
long,
topic word
the
is
poem is
long,
long.
okay. So if the topic word is long, the poem will be long. Okay, just like Hawaii, that's quite long. Okay, what else?
We can read the topic word vertically.
Okay, so you can read a topic word vertically, just like the one in the example, it's Hawaii. So you can, that's the topic word in that poem. So that's acrostic poem. Okay, how about
Okay.
sinking?
The fourth line of this poem is a sentence.
Mm. So if you note, oh yeah, so the fourth line of this poem is a sentence. So it's a sentence. Okay, and my student is here already. And what else?
The first and last word of this poem are nouns.
Okay, look, this is quite very like detailed because the first and last words of this poem are nouns. So you really need to think and be extra careful in writing this kind of poem because it involves noun, adjectives,
And
and so
verb.
on. Yes, that's right. How about haiku poem?
This poem is often about nature and seasons.
Very good. That's correct. So it's about nature and seasons. And
The second line of this poem has 7 syllables.
okay, the second line of this poem has 7 syllables. So that's always 7 syllables. Okay. So
Okay.
you really, so when you write a poem later, please remember the things that you will, sorry, the things that you need to do to write the poem. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now let's try to answer this one last question. Oh, I think it's already answered. So what is the idea, the main idea of you can be a poet? So the main idea is anyone can write poems if they know how to do it. Okay. So
Okay.
again, anyone like you,
Anyone can write
you.
poems if they know how to do it.
Okay, that's it. So anyone can write poems if they know how to do it, just like you. So you really need to know how to write a poem so that you can make one. Okay, so I think it's time for you to go. Maybe you will go now. Are you going now?
My friends are going now, but my family are in my house to wait me.
Oh, sorry about that. Okay, so I
Oh, my friends and go is in 15 minutes ago.
oh, sorry about that. I didn't know. So maybe if I know yesterday that you will go somewhere today, maybe we had a class earlier.
Oh,
Anyway,
we go in the 18th floor.
18th floor
In 18th of it,
in the
the
building?
elevator go to the 18th floor.
Oh, okay. So you can go now. Okay, because
Oh,
it's time already.
it's that my apartment.
Oh, okay. Okay, so again, Vivo, thank you so much for your time tonight. And please don't forget to do your poem, okay?
Okay, I
Okay.
see you tomorrow.
Yes, okay. So thank you so much and enjoy your Mid-Autumn Festival. Bye-bye.
Bye.